How to pronounce words with short O sound. To make a short O sound, say it like this. Open your mouth and say, Say it again. Let's take a look at some words with short O sound. Number 1, book. Book. Example, can I borrow your book? Book. Book. Number 2, cook. Cook. Example, let's cook burger and fries for snacks. Cook. Number 3, look. Look. Example, will you please look for my wallet? Look. Look. Number 4, hook. Hook. Example, put your coat on the hook. 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 Number 5, wood. Wood. Example, I need a wood to make a fire. Wood. Number 6, could. Could. Example, could you please give me the pencil? Could. Could. Number 7, would. Would. Example, they would love to meet me at the park. Would. Would. Number 8, took. Took. Example, she took me to the busy streets of New York. Took. Took. Number 9, foot. Foot. Example, put your right foot in front of the door. Foot. Foot. And number 10, pull. Pull. Example, please pull the door for me. Thanks. Pull. One more time. Pull. I hope you learned something from this lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.